This is the beauty of nature for me. Do you hear the birds? And look at all the leaves. Telling me that it's autumn and winter's gonna come soon. Just looking at all these trees is so beautiful. It's very relaxing. Now I'm on a path just behind some houses. So there's a little bit of city on the short walk, but the beauty of nature is all around me. The leaves falling from the trees. I saw a squirrel back behind me. And these are the little things in life that make me really happy. Oops. Oh, I missed it. A little chipmunk just ran across. I love looking at these things. Some tree bark, which has fallen off this tree. I wonder if the tree is sick. A lot of branches here. And I don't know if you can hear, but more bird songs. I see these little birds here. I don't know if you remember, but as a child, I would accidentally get these stuck in my hair. But now, obviously, I know better, so I don't touch these. Sometimes we're so wrapped up in our thoughts. We're looking at our phones, we're texting, we're surfing the internet, and we don't look around at what's around us. Look at these beautiful leaves. So bright orange. Now, if you haven't put your phone down for a little while, I'd encourage you to try putting it down. Look around you if you're outside. Are there any flowers? Any animals around? Look at these lovely flowers. They're wildflowers, but still so beautiful. I love seeing how the animals are preparing for the winter. They're gathering food, setting up their spaces. What do you see? Let me know in the comments below what's around you right now. If you're at home, maybe you want to step outside for a quick walk. The walk is so calming for me. There's nobody around, and it's so quiet. And I love going across these bridges. The lovely stream running right through. It's really helping to clear my mind. And I'm feeling so comfortable. Did you enjoy this video? It's a really quiet one, a really quick one. But I hope that it helped you appreciate the beauty of nature. Let's take a moment to look at the beautiful world around us. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more like this, make sure to subscribe and leave me a comment. I really love reading the comments that you guys send to me. See you later. Bye.